Specify definition. Specify in a sentence. Specify pronunciation. Specify meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of specify. Specify. Spe-ci-fy. Specify. Specify as a verb means to clearly identify, or to state a fact or requirement. Common usages in academic writing: to specify a date, to specify the instructions, to specify the requirements, to specify the problem. Example sentences: specify verb. The instructions do specify the input power requirements. Example sentence number 2, it wasn't specified whether or not I needed to include a cover page for my paper. Example sentence number 3, please reread the handout as it specifies all the information you are uncertain about. Please write a sentence using specify in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of specify, the meaning of specify, and specify example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.